Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and making sure that you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. Of course, you can do it after entering the Play Store. You will see the special information that you have to log in or sign up. Only after that you will be able to follow all of my steps. Alright, so all we have to do right now after logging in, of course, we have to tap on this circle in the right upper corner, which is our account. Then let's tap on Manage Apps and Device, and here tap on Manage. And as you can see, this is the list of all currently installed apps, and we have to tap on Updates Available to check which one we can update. As you can see, in my case, only 4 of those apps can be updated. Of course, if you want, you can mark all of them or only 1 or 2. It's totally up to you. And after marking them here, simply tap on this update icon in the right upper corner, and right now your device will download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.